This week marked the 40th annual J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference, one of the biggest industry events of the year. The conference, held virtually this year, featured hundreds of companies across the sector discussing their accomplishments in 2021 and what they expect for 2022. Of course, dominating every discussion was the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, and several companies directly involved in developing COVID-19 treatments, vaccines and tests. Here are some of the highlights of these presentations from the four-day event. Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla said that we have a virus that's a lot harder to deal with than we previously thought, a reference to the high number of mutated variants that have been seen over the course of the pandemic. To that end, he said, the company is working on an update to its vaccine to deal with Omicron and other variants. The data for that will be available in March, and Bourla said Pfizer is already switching up manufacturing lines for the updated vaccine. BioNTech CEO Uğur Şahin echoed many of Bourla's comments about the vaccine the two companies have jointly developed together. Şahin also discussed its AI-powered system to warn of potentially threatening new variants, which it claims was able to identify some variants of concern before the WHO did. Novavax began shipping its COVID vaccine last quarter and administrations started last month. 10 million doses have been shipped to Indonesia with 40 million more on the way.